Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Confirm you have at least 20% battery or charger handy and a recent backup. Open settings and inspect battery and performance to identify the top consumers. This tells you where to focus. Once done, reboot into safe mode to see if third-party apps cause the drain. If battery life improves, an app is the culprit. Make sure to install MIUI updates next, because system patches often fix background wake locks and power bugs. You now dig deeper. For each high drain app, force stop, clear cache, or uninstall it. This directly cuts background CPU and network use. Next, disable background activity and auto-start for non-essential apps and use developer options to view wake locks. Restrict any app holding excessive wake time. Once you've trimmed software drain, calibrate the battery by charging to full and then using the phone until it's low. This helps the system report battery. You finish by ruling out persistent software issues. If drains continue, perform a factory reset after backing up. This removes lingering misconfigurations. If reset doesn't help, check battery health. Under about 80% capacity, consider battery replacement or authorized service because aging cells cause rapid drops. For troubleshooting, make sure you test with the original charger, retest in safe mode, or flash a clean ROM only if comfortable. These steps isolate charger, software, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.